Hi student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the polynomial x is 2.5, the question number 7. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. So comparing, this is a cube value. So we are using identity a plus b, the whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So using this identity for all three questions. The first one. The given value is 99 whole cube. So 99 is converting into 100 minus 1 whole cube. So directly substitute the formula. So a is equal to 100 and the b value is equal minus 1. Just substitute to the above formula. So a cube, that means 100 cube plus b value is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube plus 300 then square into minus 1 plus 300 then minus 1 square. 100 cube. So it's equal to 10 lakh. Then minus 1 whole cube. So minus power odd number is also minus. Then 1 cube is 1. Then 100 square is 10,000. It is multiplied by 3. We are getting 30,000. Is multiplied by minus 1. So this sign will be negative. Then 3 is multiplied by 100. Again minus 1 square. So minus power odd is also positive only. So adding 300. So after simplifying things, get 970299. So this is the final answer. So without using a direct method. Then question number 2. So 102 whole cube. So this is also split of 100 plus 2 whole power 3. So again the a value is equal to 100 and b value is equal to 2. Just replacing the formulas. First one a cube. So 100 cube plus b cube value is 2 power 3 plus 3a square b. That means 100 square is multiplied by 2 plus 3a b square. And after simplifying we getting 10 lakh. 2 cube is 8 plus 2 is multiplied by 3 6. So 6 cross 10,000 60,000 plus 2 squared is 4. 4 cross 3 12. So 1200. After simplifying we getting 10,61,208. So this is the final answer of this one. Then the third question. 998 whole cube. Again it will be split of 1000 is a base. So 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Then substitute the formula. So a value is equal to 1000, b value is equal to minus 2. Just replacing here. So 1000 cube plus minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1000 square is multiplied by minus 2 plus 3 into 1000 is multiplied by minus 2 whole square. Then after substituting then but 2 cube is 8 but here minus sign. So here also the minus sign. So minus 8 then minus is multiplied by plus. So minus only. 2 cross 3 is a 6. So 6 lakh. then minus power 2, the minus 2 power 2, so minus will be the positive, then 4 cross 3 is a 12, so 12,000. After simplifying we get 40,11992. That's it. This is value of 998 whole cube. Now move for question number 8. The first one. So everything is only based on the cube. So the general formula, x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3 y square. That's it. So the value is given like this. We need to convert in this general concept. The first question, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square. Now compare to this formula. X cube value is like 8a cube, so the value of x equal to 2a. Then y cube position is like a b cube only, so y is equal to b. So there is no sign change, so it's enough to solve this one. So just replacing x cube, like we can able to write 2a whole cube plus y cube like the format of b whole power 3 plus 3. We can able to split up this 12a square b. So 3 times of 2a whole square and b plus again 3 times of 2a then b square. So just replacing we get 2a plus b whole cube. That's it. Then the question number 2. The given question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square. So compare the first and second, both are the same, but only the sign is different for b terms. That means x is equal to 2a only, then y value y is differ. So here b, but this second question is minus b. The remaining will be same for all. So we can able to split up 2a whole cube, then minus b whole power 3 plus 3 is multiplied by 2a whole square, then b instead of minus b here, plus 3 is multiplied by 2a and minus b whole square. So after simplifying further, we getting 2a minus b whole cube. So this is a final value. Now, so look for the third question. The given question is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So just compare the values. So compare this position in the general equations. So x cube is equal to 27. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3. Then compare this second position. Y cube is equal to 125a cube. So the value of y equal to, sorry here minus. So minus 5a. Just replacing the remaining terms. 3 cube plus minus 5a whole cube plus the format is 3a square b. So 3 square and minus 5a plus 3a b squared is a formula. So 3, the a value is 3 and value of b is equal to minus 5a whole square. So that's it. After simplifying we get 3 minus 5a whole power 3. So this is a final term. Now move for the fourth one. So question is 64a cube minus 27b cube, then minus 144a square b plus 108a b square. So again comparing the general term. So x cube position is like 64a cube. So therefore the value of x equal to 4a. Then compare the y position. Y cube equal to minus 27b cube. So the value of y equal to minus 3b. So just replacing the general formulas here. 4a whole cube plus minus 3b the whole cube plus 3 is multiplied by 4a square, then the value of y is equal to minus 3b. Just substitute the minus 3b plus 3 is multiplied by again 4a, then minus 3b whole square. So just replace the basic concept a plus b the whole cube concept or x plus y whole cube formula. So the value of x equal to 4a and value of y equal to 3b. So the whole cube is a final value. Now move for question number 5. The given question is 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 again minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. So here also compare the regular formula. So the value of x cube equal to 27p cube. So the value x equal to 3p. Then comparing the y position. Y cube equal to negative 1 upon 216. So 216 is equal to the 6 cube. So value of y equal to negative 1 upon 6. Just replacing the concept. 3p whole power 3 plus minus 1 upon 6 the whole cube plus 3 is multiplied by 3p square, then minus 1 upon 6 plus 3 is multiplied by again 3p and minus 1 upon 6 the whole square. So we can able to write the traditional method x minus y the whole cube. So the value of x equal to 3p, then value of y equal to minus 1 by 6. So this is the final answer.